CloudCatcher is a citizen science experiment that we set up so that people could help us validate the cloud mask in satellite images. Any satellite image that we take of the Earth will have a cloud mask attached to it. So this is basically a label that we add to the pixels where we say if they're cloudy or if they're clear. And this helps scientists with their downward processing. If you're looking at the surface temperature of the Earth, then you don't want to process a pixel with a cloud in that field of view. In CloudCatcher, we're showing people images from the sea and land surface temperature radiometer. So this is an instrument that flies on the Sentinel-3 satellite, and it primarily measures land surface temperature and sea surface temperature. The surface temperature data is useful, it goes into weather forecasting models, and it's used for scientists to study climate. So it's really important that we get as accurate measurement as we can. So what we show you in this workflow is you can see 4 images. So on the right, we have the full-size satellite image. This one at the top, we show in natural colour. On the bottom, we have the full-size false colour image. On the left-hand side, we're zooming into quite a small area shown by the pink arrow. Now, the first task asks you if there are any interesting features in either of these zoomed-in images. We ask this just to give you a chance just to look really closely at the image and try and understand what you're looking at. In this case, I can't see anything in particular. There are none of those features, so I'm going to tick nothing and move on to the next question. So the second task is asking, do you think that there is any cloud at all within the pink box of the zoomed in images, either the natural colour one or the false colour one? And again, it looks completely clear, so I'm going to tick no. It appears totally clear. Now, if you want to understand a little bit more about what you're seeing, there is a field guide, and you can tick this. It tells you information about the satellite instrument. It tells you about how we know where our image is on Earth, and it gives you quite a few examples to help you figure out when there's cloud, when there isn't. So cloud masks are normally pretty accurate at identifying cloud, but like anything, nothing is perfect. And it'd be really helpful if we had as much information as we can on where the cloud mask is working well and where it's not working so well. So we thought maybe we could show other people the images that we measured from space and ask them to label the images as cloudy or clear. So by taking part in CloudCatcher, you're contributing to a real science project helping us improve the classifications of real Earth observation satellite images. One of the great things about Earth observation science is that you get to look at the Earth from space from the comfort of your own home. And this is what you can do by taking part in our CloudCatcher experiment.